What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Slip. In front of me we have my personal car, the beast, the 2020 BMW M340i. Now, you guys seen this car multiple times on my channel. This time is a little bit different. I finally did it. What, you may ask? Well, I downpiped and tuned my car. But for those of you that are interested in doing the same thing, all you need is two things. Well, three things. You need a 2020 car, right? Or if you don't have a 2020 car, you know, have your ECU unlocked. Buy a downpipe. It has to be aftermarket downpipe. And also buy a tune. I have myself an MHD tune. This thing right here is a beast. You connect this to your car, and then your phone connects to this, and then you essentially end up downloading more horsepower to your car. It's pretty crazy. So yeah, she pops and bangs like crazy. And yeah, without further ado, let's go for a ride, shall we? Hear the startup roar though. Yeah, pretty crazy. With the tune, you're pushing about 500 plus horsepower at the crank. I'm on a pump 93 gas tune because I want to mess with E85 just yet. But I must say, it is plenty fast for the car. She pops and bangs like crazy. Another thing too is about the tune. If you choose to not want to have the bangs, the pop and bangs on the car, you can turn that off. But me personally, I like it, so I kept it on. This Charger wants to play. What is that, Scat Pack? I will destroy that thing, man. Don't play with me, bro. I call Scat Packs Snap Packs because they tend to lose a lot. They do look good though. You hear those pops and bangs, man? Ain't nobody scared of you. Let's wait till it straightens out. Let's see. Ooh, you hear those pops? So the process of tuning the car and everything, it only took about like 10 seconds, to be honest with you. You unlock your ECU using the bench unlock if you have a 2020 car, and then I just went ahead, connected my phone, and 10 seconds later I'm tuned. It's a crazy world we live in now, because like you don't have to go, it's really convenient. You don't have to go to another tuner and, you know, keep going to the place and get charged, you know, crazy amounts of money to get tuned and spend a hell of time. Like you can literally do this in less than 20 minutes. It's pretty crazy. But here's my favorite part. Say you want to go ahead and behave for a little while, put the thing in comfort mode, and it's like nothing ever happened. Check it out. Do you hear any pops and bangs? Nope. And look at that, just in time. Police. And this is why comfort mode is essential. Another thing too is like, I've seen like, and I've been in cars that have been tuned before, and it sounds like it's breaking apart, like it's falling apart and all that stuff. Not with this. Like you could be at idle and it sounds like, you know, it's a stock car. You would never know it's tuned. That's my boy's Camaro. It's like every time you shift, you hear that crack. It's crazy. I like that. Effortless. And the thing too is, when my car was stock, it had excellent down low power, but like when it came to mid-range and top end, it died off completely. So what ends up happening is you pull away from let's say you get into a race in the beginning, you're ahead, but they start reeling you in because you won't have no mid-range or top end power. Now, after the tune, you have gains in the down low, you have gains in the mid-range and top end, so it's like all spread out. You're good. See what I mean? There's another thing too, another cool feature too that you could do. It's called rolling anti-lag. Personally, I'm not really that good at it. I still gotta work it out because this is my first time having a tuned car. But basically what you do is you go down to the speed that you want to go to and the RPM as well. You hold down under your cruise control button, build boost, let go. Sheesh. And basically it's like a slingshot. It just goes. It'll definitely give you an edge when it comes to like certain races. Like if you go to a race and you want to do a rolling race or whatever, it'll definitely give you an edge because, you know, you already built up boost and everything. There's no lag. You just go. That's what they call it, anti-lag. Personally, I'm not going to use that feature that much because it could put a lot of stress on your components and I don't want to break anything. But so far, this tune is legit. So yeah guys, comment down below, let me know, is this worth it? Do you guys like it or whatever? Also, if you're also tuned, please comment down below if you're on boot mod or MHD and how long have you been running your setup. That way I know what to expect. Have you guys having any issues, any problems? Is it still good? Is it bulletproof? Let me know down below. But yeah guys, I figure I'll give you guys a quick update on the car and show you what's up and go for a quick drive, you know, and show you what's good with the car. But as you can see, she's a savage now. But yeah, comment down below what you guys think and all that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and thank y'all for sticking around. Peace.